Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charge, and as you guys know, I was upgrading my gaming PC and wanted some good peripherals and components to upgrade my gaming PC. Well, one of my friends suggested me to check out one of this store in SP Road called Ankit Infotech. I had been there and my experience was really great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 reasons why you should go to Ankit Infotech to get your next gaming PC built. Reason number 1. All major brands and categories of products are available, giving you guys the freedom to choose the best component for your dream PC. And with that, all products and components are available in stock so that you don't have to worry for anything out there. Reason number 2. All products available at Ankit Infotech are 100% genuine. Well, the reason I'm mentioning this is because there are a lot of stores at SP Road who sell you used, refurbished and also components which are used in crypto mining. This is not recommended since they don't provide you a satisfactory performance. You get a proper invoice on your purchase and can claim warranty from the manufacturer. With that, within 7 days, anything happens to your component inside your PC, at Ankit Infotech, they replace it with a new one so that you don't have to run around for a service center. Reason number 3. Here at Ankit Infotech, you get great recommendation and right advice so that you can choose the best PC according to your needs and recommendation. You can build PCs for gaming, streaming, video editing, workstation, AI and deep learning. Reason number 4. There's an in-store experience zone where you can experience high-performance gaming PC and test different configuration so that you can choose the best component for your PC build. And once your PC is built, you can check and ensure everything is working before you take it home. Reason number 5. There is free assembly with good cable management. They also provide custom sleeved cables and fully liquid cooled PC if required. Even if you're not from Bangalore, you can still buy from Ankit Infotech through their website pcstudio.in, whose links are provided down in the description box. On this website, they provide you free shipping across India with secured payments. Hope these 5 reasons were helpful to you guys. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I'll catch you in another one. Till then, bye-bye.